friends, welcome to Big Ideas for Little Learners. Today we get the share box with me, Miss Marla. After we find out what's in my share box, then we will get to use it and have some fun. But I am not at my house today, so I do not have my share box. So today I'm hiding my special thing behind the mat. A little different, but still the same idea. So we'll get started. I'll give you some clues, and when you guess what's inside, we'll get to use it. Are you ready? All right. Clue number 1. It's a rectangle. So many things are rectangles. What can you think of? Do you see this picture up here behind my head? That painting is in the shape of a rectangle. And that painting, my grandpa painted a long time ago. But my grandpa painted it. It's pretty cool. So many things are rectangles. Do you think we need clue number 2? I think so too. All right, clue number 1 was it's a rectangle. Clue number 2 is it's something fun to use with mommies and daddies, and even more exciting when you get to do it all by yourself. It's a pretty vague clue. That means it's not super helpful, but it makes sense at the end when we know what it is. All right, what's fun to do with mommy and daddy, and even more fun when you get to do it by yourself? It could be ride your bike outside. Sometimes you need help to get started and to get a push, but when you can do it by yourself, it's super fun and you can go fast. Could be brushing your teeth. Maybe I have a toothbrush back here. Mommies and daddies help you until you learn, but when you get to do it by yourself, it's really fun. Let's see if clue number 3 helps us out a little bit more. All right, clue number 1 was it's a rectangle. Clue number 2 is that it's fun to use with mommy and daddy, but even more fun when you get to do it by yourself. Clue number 3 is that there's an author and an illustrator. Do you know what an author is? An author is someone who writes words. Do you know what an illustrator is? An illustrator is someone that makes pictures. They could draw them or paint them or color them. So many different ways to be an illustrator. So let's review the clues again. Clue number 1 is it's a rectangle. Clue number 2, it's fun to do with mommy and daddy. More fun when you get to do it by yourself. And clue number 3 is there's an author and an illustrator. Do you think you know what's behind my mat? Let's see. Are you right? Are you ready? 1. Let's make sure it's right side up. 2, 3. It's a book. Oh, good job. It's a rectangle. It is really fun to read with mommy and daddy, but when you get big enough and get to read by yourself, that is super exciting. And it has an author who is Karen Beaumont and an illustrator who is David Katra. All right, and now we get to read the book. That's my favorite part of the share box. This is one of my favorite books to read in my class. It's lots of fun, and we get to introduce the concept of rhyming words. So we will hear some words, sing a song, and see if you can find body parts that go along with the rhyming words. Are you ready? Let's get started. I ain't gonna paint no more. And look at all the colors. It's a good book for Rainbow Week. One day, my mama caught me painting pictures on the floor and the ceiling and the walls and the curtains and the door. And I heard my mama holler like I never heard before. You ain't gonna paint no more. Oh no, what a mess. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. Ain't gonna paint no more. That's what I say, but there ain't no way that I ain't gonna paint no more. Oh no, you climbed up in the closet and got the paints. All right, now we're gonna start the rhyming parts. Are you ready? I'll help you out. So I take some red and I paint what part on your body rhymes with the word red? It sounds or it ends with ed. It's the part popping up over the book right now. My head. Now I ain't gonna paint that no more. Oh my goodness. what the heck? I'm going to paint my, what rhymes with heck? Neck. There's my neck. Now I ain't going to paint no more. Oh my goodness, look at all those colors. Still, I just can't rest until I paint my chest. Now I ain't going to paint no more. Look, it went down his chest and into his belly. Here's mine. There's my chest. All right. Guess there ain't no harm if I paint my arm. Oh my goodness, look at all those. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. But I just can't stand not to paint my, what rhymes with stand? Hand. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Then I see some black. Oh, what rhymes with black? And I paint my back. Where's your back? Back here. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Like an Easter egg, I'm gonna paint my, what rhymes with egg? Leg. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Still ain't complete until I paint my, ooh, what rhymes with complete? That's a big word. Feet. Oh, can you see his feet right there? Let's see if we can get in there. Oh, look at toes like eggs too. So I paint my feet. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Oh my goodness, so many colors. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. But I'm such a nut, I'm gonna paint my, what? Mom comes in, is not very happy. Y'all don't faint 'cause there ain't no paint. So I ain't gonna paint no more. Aww. He and the doggy got a bath. Mommy is very angry. The end. All right, I hope you enjoyed the share box, and I hope you enjoyed reading the book with me. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.